항상 처음은 설레이지 널 보러 가는 길도 마치 구름 위지 너에게 하고 싶은 말을 생각하다가 나 이렇게 내가 바보라는 것을 알게 되었어 참 바보같이 머리부터 발끝까지 콩깍지가 쓰여낸 커피를 들고 햇볕 아래서 널 기다리다 내 마음이 녹은 것 같아 Let's go out in the sun 느낌이 왔어 이 리듬에 맡겨 발걸음에 맞춰 Fly with the wind 이 분위기를 타고 날아가지 못한 곳을 데려가줘 Time after time 사랑을 몰라 말들이 너무 많아 우리 걱정은
Good morning guys, I'm looking very crusty right now. Let me just change it to like some kind of gymming outfit. I'll be right back. Good morning, actually. So I've changed and just gonna be wearing navy blue looking leggings. I have no idea what brand they are. Got them at a thrift store. And then I'm wearing some white socks. I'm wearing this white hoodie for now. Usually at the gym I'm like cold at first and then I get into it and I get hot. So by the way, my apartment is super messy. So yeah, this is the outfit and then I'll probably end up wearing this whole fit after working out for a bit. I look very crusty guys, let's not mind that, but I'm gonna take some pre-workout so that I can get in, you know, like some good energy. Welcome to my snack drawer where I have way too many little snackies and it's not organized guys. This is my pre-workout. Yeah. Today I'm gonna do a day in my life because I just realized I haven't vlogged in a really long time, so I don't dry scoop. I'm too scared to do that. What I do is I put it in a shot cup, mix it with a little bit of water, and then I drink it. I don't like drinking pre-workout with like my water and stuff because it makes me feel super bloated. As soon as I take this, I have to go to the gym right away or else I'm literally gonna be jittery and jumping balls. Cheers. It's a shot. That pre-workout is so good though. Let's listen to some beat music. I'm at the gym guys, about to go in. Feeling very jittery. But it's like 11 right now, so hopefully it's not too busy.
A few moments later.
Y'all, I deadass almost fainted. I wanted to vlog me working out, but it did not happen. I'm literally a clown. Deadass almost died. I was in the groove too. I'm gonna go to the grocery store because I need to buy some dinner. On my way here, I deadass missed my turn twice. So definitely out of it now. Anyways, there's a lady walking by. Oh god, she's the car next to me. Hello guys, it girly is back home. So I'm gonna do a little Target haul. Bought some kale. I like to mix this with my eggs. I also bought this. It's like a little strawberry cake thingy. I love eating this. I was really craving this, like a strawberry cake type of thing. I got some steak. I'm gonna make this for dinner tonight. I feel like these are just perfect sizes for me. Golden onion. This is for the steak later. Then I bought this like dip and these chips. This is so freaking good. They literally sell this kind of dip like everywhere. So I just showered and I feel really good and clean. You know, I think I'm just gonna be home today. Let's cook. So I've been staying home a lot recently because it's winter outside, so I don't really want to leave the house. And I did a puzzle the other day. I finished it. It was really fun. I love puzzles. Fun fact, my mom hates doing puzzles with me because I always end up finishing it. Like me and my mom used to do puzzles together, but then she would get so annoyed because she'd go to work and I'd like finish it while she's gone. She'll come back and be like, what the heck? Like, why didn't you save me any? Anyways, we're gonna be making eggs and kale. All you're gonna need is a pan. Usually when I cook, I just do coconut oil instead of like vegetable oils and stuff. It just has like a different flavor. It tastes really good. I'm gonna be making steak for dinner later, so I'll show you guys how I do it with coconut oil. I'm not gonna eat this with anything, just eggs and kale, and then maybe I'll eat like my dessert after. Trying to get back into the groove of gymming and stuff because I'm gonna be going to EDC at the end of May, and so I really want to get like a banging body, or at least just have like a more toned body. Anyways, just gonna throw in some coconut oil. You don't want the heat too high because when you throw in the kale, the coconut oil makes it like splatter hella. It literally scares me. Ah! It opened. Ah! Okay. Ah! Anyways. little bit of salt. Not too much. Simple little meal. I just started watching All of Us Are Dead yesterday. I'm on episode 7 and guys, the show is so good. It started off slow like the first 15 minutes and then after that it was just quite wonderful. If you guys know me, you guys know I love zombie shows. Anything like that, I love it. Really good guys. You guys gotta try it. Hi guys, pardon the interruption, but this portion of the video is sponsored by Warby Parker, which I talk about them all the time, but I have good reason. Warby Parker is an eyewear company, so they sell sunglasses, eyeglasses, contact lenses, and they even do eye exams. They literally have the cutest eyeglasses frames. My glasses are literally from Warby Parker. Here's one of the frames, for example. There's this one too, which these are literally the ones I have. I love them. Look at this. The frame on this one is just so beautiful. Like, Warby Parker is seriously dedicated to giving you the best vision care, whether that is online or in stores. It is so freaking easy to get glasses in your prescription, contact lenses. So the cool thing about Warby Parker is that if you guys want to get glasses and you guys don't know which frame to get, you guys can literally order their at-home try-on kit, which sends you 5 frames for free. So you can try on the glasses and after 5 days you just return it if you don't like it. And on top of that, Warby Parker carries a whole bunch of different contact lens brands. They literally have brands like AccuView or Biofinity. Make sure to check out warbyparker.com/Sandy. Check it out. And if you guys go to that link, you guys can literally save 15% off your guys' first order of contact lenses. So check it out, get the glasses you've been needing, and on top of that, they're literally like the cutest design, so you're having good vision while being stylish at the same time. Danny's opening his Valentine's Day gift. Got you a pop socket. Hello guys, welcome to the kitchen. So I'm gonna be making some steak. I'm gonna show you guys how I like to make it, even though it's not really that hard. Am I a chef? Alright, so I have my steak, super tiny. It's just a little sirloin piece, but I'm just gonna throw in a little bit of salt. Then I'm gonna throw in some Famous Dave's rib rub. I like to throw just a little bit onto the steak. I really like the flavor of this. There we go. And then I love this. I love this seasoning. The chipotle and roasted garlic seasoning by Grill Mate. McCormick Grill Mates. It looks like this, guys. This is so good. It's literally like heaven in a little bottle thingy. So you just want to mix it around. I know some people just do like salt and pepper and stuff, but personally for me, I really like this kind of like steak seasoning on my steak. So don't forget the edges. Edges need loving too. I have a yellow onion. I'm gonna cut them into like little bite-sized pieces. I usually eat the steak and then I eat the onion as like a side dish because onion is delicious. You know, like this. Let's get festive. Valentine's Day is in 2 days and I don't get to see my boyfriend like a lot of people, but it's okay. It's not the end of the world, guys. I will be celebrating Valentine's Day with my Chloe bear. Also, I tied at the front because it's less annoying to take it off, like, you know, instead of doing it from the back. Whee! Oh my god, are we celebrating Valentine's Day today? Are we having steak, Chloe? We're so cute! Let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna turn on this pan at a like high. I'm gonna throw in some coconut oil, about a little bit, you know, like half a spoonful. If you have not cooked steak with coconut oil, try it. I swear your steak will taste better. Even though my steak is little, I'm cooking it on this like medium smallish pan because after I cook the steak, I'm gonna keep all the juices in here and I'm gonna throw in the onions and it just like makes it taste so good. I don't know how healthy that is, but it tastes delicious, so who cares? Okay. She is cooking. Steak is done. Gonna throw in the onions right back into this juice. Whoa! Oops. We got some onions and we have our steak. Guys, doesn't this look so good? Usually I eat this with like mashed potatoes, but I don't have any, so I'm gonna eat it with rice. Let's go eat. This is not very presentable, sorry guys. I like my steak like medium. Ooh, this is literally perfect. Delicious. I usually like my steak medium, and so whenever I go to places like to get steak, I always say medium rare because I feel like everywhere just overcooks steak. That's what I usually do, but I cooked this steak like literally perfect to my liking. Talented, I know. Also, I'm eating it with some A1 sauce. I love A1, but let me try without it. I'm a chef. Just something about eating onions. I feel like my taste buds are maturing. I used to hate onions as a kid, and now I literally cannot eat steak without onions. Some rice. Anyways guys, it's almost Valentine's Day. I think me and Danny are just gonna have like a FaceTime date night. So just like I cook something together like over the call and watch a movie. What's funny is that me and Danny both got each other squishmallows for Valentine's Day. Like I got him a like blue squishmallow that looks like a dinosaur, and he got me the scuba diving like Hello Kitty one. So cute.
Late night snacks, so what? I want to enjoy the food my mom makes for me.
I love watching Linda Sun videos. I just love everything she says. I feel like she fixed the relationship I had with food. I have some stuff to say, but I will say it after I finish eating this ice cream. Alright guys, I finished my ice cream. After discovering Linda Sun like last summer, I feel like she really helped me understand like how to fix my relationship with food, and it also made me realize I had a bad relationship with food, because if you watch her videos, you literally learn so much about how like eating is like different for everyone, and like some people can eat with a certain like diet and it like works for their body because, you know, it works for them. Everybody's different. Like she taught me that like it's okay to eat what you want and stuff. Like I didn't even realize I had a problem with that, but I did. Last winter was the most I've ever weighed, but during that time, because I knew I was like gaining weight, I was trying to change my diet and like try like diets that are like healthier, you know, like the stereotypical healthy. I feel like that didn't really help me, because with me trying to have like a diet and stuff, it actually, I feel like, just like made my mental health a little bit more bad. Just putting yourself in a strict diet can be, for some people, like not good for you. Because I told myself I was doing a diet, it actually made me want the other foods that I told myself I couldn't have even more. Then I would go and have it, and then I would just feel so shitty about myself because I was like, you know, you have to eat only this, don't eat that stuff. But then I ended up eating it, and I was just like, well, I'm so bad. Like, I can't believe I did this to myself. You know, I told myself to do this diet. After watching her videos, I learned eating what makes you happy is honestly better for you. With that, I took it, you know, I absorbed it. Now I just eat whatever I want, but I also make sure that I keep it balanced. So like having your fats, your carbohydrates, or protein, I just make sure that each of my meals are like a good mix of it. Or like if I have more of one of those things in the morning, I try to like have the other thing at night, like just to keep it balanced. If I tell myself you can't have any fast food, you can't have it at all, I feel like that just deteriorates my mental health, because I'm like, well, I can't have it, but now I want it. Like if you tell yourself not to have something, most of the time you start thinking about it more, because you're like, well, I can't have it. I literally just eat whatever I want whenever I want, because realistically thinking, like if I have McDonald's one time, typically I would not want it again, because like I've had it and I like quenched my thirst for it, if that makes sense. Doing that is better than like completely cutting it off, because then you're thinking about it all the time. If I tell myself, girl, you can't have any ice cream, trust me, if I tell myself that every day, I most likely will end up having ice cream every day, because I can't stop thinking about it, you know? So that's basically like how I fix my relationship with food. I changed my mindset of it. It's like, eat whatever you want, but keep it balanced. Everything is fine to eat in moderation, if that makes sense. That's why like everything I eat is more balanced, you know? Restricting yourself can be really, really hard on your mental health. It's just not fun, but that's just like how it works for me. The because everybody's different. After I switched my mindset, I feel like my health overall just like boosted. I feel so much happier. Honestly, I wish I fixed my relationship with food a lot sooner because I feel like that just would have helped me like health-wise overall. But you know what? I'm just really happy that I learned that about myself and I fixed that about myself, because now I'm like way happier. So if you guys want to learn more about like fixing your relationship with food, watch Linda Sun. She has amazing videos. Every video is literally so well made, well produced, and she gives the best pointers and the best reminders for yourself, so highly recommend. Anyways, that is it for today's vlog. I honestly wish I got footage of me at the gym, but your girl almost fainted, so I couldn't. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Chloe is right here, but she is saying thank you for watching. Anyways, I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
항상 처음은 설레이지 널 보러 가는 길도 마치 구름 위지 너에게 하고 싶은 말을 생각하다가 나 이렇게 내가 바보라는 것을 알게 되었어 참 바보같이 머리부터 발끝까지 콩깍지 가스연한 커피를 들고 햇볕 아래서 널 기다리다 내 마음이 녹은 것 같아